Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present probably one of the easiest recipes you'll ever make. Just in time for the holiday season, my Keto Kahlua. Also, at the end of the video, I'll show you how to make Keto White Russian. Let's get started. Begin by adding 8 ounces of freshly brewed hot coffee to a mixing bowl or large measuring cup. Add a sugar substitute equal to 1/4 cup of regular sugar and give a mix with a whisk to incorporate. Now, I hear some of you in the comments talk about the unwanted aftertaste or cooling effect of some sweeteners. I like this stevia erythritol mix made by Natural Mate. It's twice as strong as regular sugar, so you only use half as much, and I personally find no bad aftertaste or cooling effect at all. Once the sweetener is fully dissolved, add some rum and a little vanilla extract. Pour into an airtight container or jar and store in the refrigerator. This makes a perfect addition to your regular coffee for a nice little hot toddy, or use some for adult beverage time and make my Keto White Russian. To do so, just add to a cocktail glass 1½ ounces of my Keto Kahlua, 1½ ounces of vodka, and 1½ ounces of heavy cream, and give a stir to mix. Add some ice and enjoy. There you have it, folks. My zero-carb Keto Kahlua recipe. Who says you can't entertain without carbs? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.